My name is Jim Smith. I'm an Executive Vice President and co-founder of LoadSpring. Companies need the cloud so that they can stay agile and they can change quickly as their market demands change.
We work with a lot of different clients that work in a lot of different industries, and no two customers are the same. So having a flexible system allows us to provide different tools, different applications, different services for different needs of different customers.
LoadSpring aligns with our company mission by providing services and products that help us make our clients successful, which increases our return on investment for the services we provide to those clients.
In our environment, we have demand for services on a daily basis. And Agile means being able to spin up a server, load an application, source an application, get support for an application, not in 2 weeks, not in 3 months, but really next week. We have projects that will start up literally the next week. Operations aren't traditionally known for working with IT in advance, so that's the reality we live in. So we need to be responsive to demand that occurs at any time.
Because everybody now and their dog thinks that they can host something, but none of them have the secret sauce that Springboard represents. Through Springboard, our functional admins are able to create accounts, put people into security groups, provision them with applications, deprovision them, and all without having any elevated privileges or having to contact somebody else. And so what that represents for us is the people who know which collaboration partners need which access are actually able to do the provisioning, rather than them having to take time to talk to somebody else and wait for that other party to provision them.
An outage critical path hour, we put a ballpark value on it of $150,000, and LoadSpring is a trusted partner. Since I've been at McGuire, March of 2012, we've had no downtime incidents with LoadSpring that inhibited our ability to reduce our outage analysis and regular project controls reporting.
LoadSpring has been able to expand their services for us as our company has grown and allowed us to deploy strategic applications the way we need them deployed and when we need them.
We have clients that are all over the world. Being responsive in our systems, in our approach, as well as being able to stand up systems quickly is tremendously important for our project success. LoadSpring's depth and experience and responsiveness on support and systems is insurmountable for us.
We enable customers to interact with us through our support capabilities. We enable them to access all of their applications through a unified platform. No other organization in the world does this today. What's unique about us is instead of trying to solve a project controls problem with an application that has many capabilities and functionalities to support the life cycle of that project, we support it with technology and give the customer the ability and the flexibility to use any application that they want to execute against that project.
The Springboard platform is quite attractive to LEDCOR given the fact that it allows us to track license, it allows us to configure multiple environments and support our business in so many ways. And one of the beauties is the entire compliance aspect that we didn't have visibility to before. So now through the Springboard, I'm able to see exactly where I am with licensing on any single application, and also user access and accessibility from the user base.
The most recent really great example of customer support that we've received from LoadSpring, and there have been many examples over the years, is in January of 2015, we needed to stand up Esri Portal. We were putting together a dashboarding project management system for a distributed system that needed a map interface, and we needed to use Esri Server and Esri Portal. When we do need to host collaboration type tools or messy applications, LoadSpring is our go-to company.